Today we're going to discuss how to use a Blackhead mask. The first step is you're going to want your pores open, so take a warm shower or apply a warm compress. There's no reason to scrub your face beforehand, but just get it warm and get those pores open. Next, you're going to want to apply a generous amount to your face. You want it thick enough so that it completely covers, but not so thick that it's going to take forever to dry. So just make sure you cover your entire face. First-time users should note that you want to avoid any hair on your face. Try not to get your eyebrows, eyelashes, sideburns, anything like that, because it's going to essentially pull on your skin and pull at that hair. Depending on how thick you put it, you're going to want about 15 to 20 minutes to dry. And you can actually accelerate that using a hairdryer. Once it's completely dry, you can start peeling. I recommend going from the chin up. Go nice and slow so you yank out all the gunk from all your pores. Be careful around your forehead and anywhere there's a little bit of hair. You don't want to wind up losing an eyebrow. If you look closely, you can actually see what was in the pores on the mask. Can you see it there? Afterwards, your skin will be considerably cleaner, softer feeling, and that'll last for several weeks. It's kind of a nice feeling and it's something new. You definitely want to try it. Here's a look at the removal under the microscope so you can actually see those pores being cleaned out, cleared out, and looking much, much better. A bottle of this stuff is under 20 bucks and it'll last for several uses. We'll go ahead and put some information for that at the end of the video so you can check it out, and there'll be a link in the description below.
Hey everybody, I'd like you to check out our salon quality Blackhead mask. It's designed with your sensitive skin in mind. Mr. Blackhead's Bio Aqua mask is made to hit that sensitive T-zone, unclog your pores, and make your skin feel young again. We'll leave a link in the description below, or check out our shortcut for Amazon at m7amazon.com. You're going to absolutely love it.